looks like in there. Let's go! We're gonna go in the flower dome now, and we're gonna tell you if it's worth visiting. Go right now, put a like for this video, and don't forget to subscribe. It's trees and butterflies. Here we go! Did you know this is the largest columnless glass greenhouse in the world? Isn't that cool?
The construction of the flower dome is special because of the large glass roof with any interior support columns. The architecture is pretty amazing.
Check out the Christmas display that's getting set up.
Tell me what this clock does here.
It actually shows the date. The hour hand's at the month, and then the minute hand is at the day it is in that month. So it's really cool. Aren't these balls cool?
Pretty.
The candy shop looks sweet. Here we are at the flower dome, and look at all the cool things.
I love my daddy.
The plants, trees, and cacti here are pretty cool. We don't have any plants like these in Canada. This is my impression of this tree. That's so cool.
Ray is being funny. Funny. The climate inside is perpetual spring, from 23 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. The flower dome showcases exotic plants from 5 continents, which are displayed in 9 different gardens.
That's a cool dragon. I think it's worth visiting the flower dome because there are a lot more to see than just plants. There are seasonal displays, art sculptures, and amazing architecture, exotic plants, and flowers.